Nikki North, RPA lead here at Thames Water, and for me the automation metrics that really stand out and that are important is all around customer journey and customer experience. Some of the key things that we're looking to measure is when you automate processes, we know that that provides consistency and we know that that reduces errors, and so a reduction in repeat contacts is something that can be seen, and also a reduction in customer complaints is ultimately what we're looking to measure here. We're also keen to measure the reduction in backlog, whether that's the size of the backlog to be worked or whether that's the age of the cases that are in that backlog. And that, together with the reduction in repeat contacts and complaints, gives the customers an overall better customer service, and it gives them a better journey. What we're looking to try to measure is the complete customer journey time, and that's from when the first contact comes in until the request or the issue or whatever it is that's come in has been raised. And the key way for us to do that is through digitisation of the end-to-end process, and we all know that RPA is a key element of digitising that process, and that's why those metrics around customer journey, customer experience, time to resolve are so key and so important to us here.